Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing this beautiful plant called Carnation. Carnation is from the Dianthus family. As you can see, they look extremely beautiful and they flower a lot. These flowers also have beautiful fragrance which makes them more attractive. They come in many colors and they bloom a lot. They also come in single and double varieties. One of the best things about this plant is that it not only flowers during the winter, but they also flower in the summer season. It can live for many days and more than 1 year. In my garden, they flower all year long without any kind of extra maintenance. So if you want long-lasting flowering, then this is a great plant for you. They don't grow very big, so they are great for growing in containers. A 6 to 8 inch container will be enough to grow them. You will also find hybrid varieties which are perfect for small size pots. Now Carnation is a sun-loving plant and they need lots of sunlight to flower well. You should give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight, especially during winter. In summer months, protect them from afternoon heat. You can give them partial shade. And to keep them alive for a long time, protect them from heavy rain. My plants live and flower all year long, so you can try to save them. Sometimes this plant can get leggy and flop all over. You can see my plant is falling all over. So support them with something, or you can tie them up with a stick, or you can prune them or keep them in a compact size. You can easily grow them from cuttings. You can also get seeds and grow them very easily too. I bought small saplings from the local nursery. Carnation will grow best in a moist soil that is well draining. So choose a good quality garden soil that has good drainage. You can add 30 to 40% vermicompost or any other compost. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of neem cake powder. Add a tablespoon of bone meal to help boost flowering. Weekly you can add mustard cake or any homemade liquid fertilizer and that will be enough. Carnation is drought tolerant, but water them properly and regularly. Water your plants when the soil feels dry. Don't overwater them too much, that can cause root rot and fungus problems. They are quite pest resistant, but if you see any pest problems, spray organic pesticides like neem oil. When the flowers die, you should remove them from the plant. Regular pruning will help the plant get more flowers. That is all you need to do to grow these plants. They're very easy. If you can save the plant for whole year, you can grow new plants from cuttings for the next season. So definitely grow these plants, and if you like this video, do press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!